How to access your Panther email. It's important to note that you will be given a Chaffey email address once you have registered and paid for a credit course. First, visit our website at www.chaffey.edu. Click My Chaffey Login at the top of the page towards the middle. Log into your My Chaffey portal using your login credentials.
We are now on the Chaffey College dashboard. From here, click on Gmail, located on the left side of the website within the Shortcuts area.
Once you have redirected to Google, you may need to complete a verification step for security purposes. Click Continue once you've verified it's you. You are now on the Panther email account. You can click More on the left side of the page to view additional options like spam or trash. You can find the Google's app icon at the top of the page to the right of the search bar. Click on the Google Apps icon to locate additional apps like Docs, Sheets, Slides, and much more. If you would like to forward your school emails to another email account, locate the gear icon within the top header and click on it for Settings. Next, click See All Settings, then click Forwarding and pop IMAP from the list of options at the top. Within the Forwarding section, click Add a Forwarding Address. Add the email address you would like to forward the school emails to, then click Next. Verify the forwarding email account. If it is correct, click Proceed. A confirmation code will be sent to the email account you provided. Click OK and access the forwarding confirmation email. From the forwarding confirmation email, click on the link provided to allow your school email to automatically forward emails. Then, click Confirm to complete the setup. Lastly, be sure to click on the User ID icon in the upper right corner of the page to sign out of all accounts to protect your information. Thank you for watching. We hope this tutorial was helpful. Additional tutorials are available in the Online Support Center on the Chaffey homepage. If you need additional assistance, please schedule an appointment with the counselor today.